This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello Meghalaya. Your story starts here.
Kibor Pulit agno Sngi arfoi trek Judicial Orjopsan kila Syrtap Khmat ka Court and Office of District and Session Judge East Kasils District ban pahara ka jingwan yalam tian bishar biang ya ka Sonam Right Singh ka Sonam Right Singh kila shapan ngat police custody Sngi lembag rai ka Īing Kashari manha ka khat kandai trek Judicial Orjopsan kalba kilaingut katau Akash Rajput Vishal Singh Chauhan bu Anand Kurmi kidan hapdeng ka judicial custody bakhat Sngi hadian blatian bishar ki ka Īing Kashari kala pengat judicial custody kita ki arngot hadu Khatlai Sngi kumban syukrau bahadian kejing syakam khandai trek Judicial Orjopsan ya kita ibro sangut kibla kadau dan ketiban syem kejing em rajara kubanshi hak arflai trek ucemang Orjopsan ka Īing Kashari khatwai trek Judicial Orjopsan kala ibor ki Pulit bantok get Sngi ya boro sangut handrai kesentian bishar baar men khat khandai trek ka Īing Kashari kala ibor Sngi Pulit bantok get Sonam Rising ki beri ginong selaba Khmat bermantapat kin ngat Khatlai Sngi hak judicial custody.
Sonam and Raj, they were produced before the Honorable Court today. After their judicial custody is over, they were remanded back for 13 days judicial custody. Till now, nothing is there. If required, police may ask. If required. So it is up to the investigation. I have no comment.
Habatin, pej bahagi kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataya kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta ka dur jingki marbam ka jingmat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition bakam bhak ka jing im bakam bha pendon kam daki mar ba modon ka sharp plus F menta ka Sngi
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya